Dallas homeowners know all too well how uncomfortable drafts can make a home feel, especially during hot Texas summers and sudden winter cold fronts. Even the most energy-efficient double-hung windows won't perform as expected if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and poor sealing can allow hot or cold air to sneak inside, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy bills. That's why professional installation plays a critical role in preventing drafts and maximizing the performance of double-hung windows in Dallas homes. Here's how expert installation makes a noticeable difference in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. Precise measurements create a tight, draft-free fit. Drafts often start with inaccurate measurements. If a window is even slightly too small or too large for the opening, gaps can form around the frame. These gaps allow outdoor air to flow freely into your home, something Dallas homeowners feel immediately during temperature swings. Professional installers measure each window opening precisely, account for settling or structural shifts, ensure the window fits snugly within the frame, prevent air gaps before installation even begins. This precision is the foundation of draft prevention. Proper leveling and alignment stop air leaks. Double-hung windows rely on perfect alignment for both sashes to close and seal correctly. If the window is tilted or out of square, the sashes won't sit flush, leaving small openings where air can pass through. Expert installers ensure the window is level, plumb, and square. Both sashes align evenly within the frame. Locks engage fully to pull the sashes tight. The window closes smoothly without resistance. In Dallas, where air-conditioned air is precious, proper alignment is essential for keeping cool air inside. High-quality insulation seals the frame opening. One of the most common sources of drafts is the space between the window frame and the wall opening. Without proper insulation, this hidden area becomes a direct path for air leakage. Professional installation includes expanding foam insulation designed for windows, careful application to avoid overexpansion, complete sealing of gaps around the frame, long-lasting thermal protection. This insulation barrier helps Dallas homes maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round. Weather stripping is installed and adjusted correctly. Weather stripping is designed to block air infiltration, but only when installed correctly. Improperly placed or low-quality weather stripping can wear out quickly or fail to seal the window edges. Professional installers use durable, climate-appropriate weather stripping. Ensure full contact along all sash edges. Adjust sashes for optimal compression. Test for leaks before completing the job. This creates a continuous seal that prevents hot air from entering during summer and cold drafts during winter. Secure exterior sealing protects against wind pressure. Dallas weather often brings strong winds, storms, and sudden pressure changes. Without proper exterior sealing, wind can push air through even the smallest cracks. Expert installation includes high-performance exterior caulking, flashing to direct water away from the window, sealing that remains flexible in heat and cold, protection against long-term seal failure. This exterior defense layer works alongside interior sealing to stop drafts before they reach your living space. Preventing long-term shifting and frame movement. Improper installation can cause windows to shift over time due to heat expansion, foundation movement, or structural stress. As windows move, gaps form, and drafts follow. Professional installers prevent this by anchoring the window securely to the structure using proper fasteners and spacing, reinforcing the opening when needed, allowing for natural expansion without compromising seals. This ensures your double-hung windows remain draft-free for years, not just months. Lower energy bills and improved comfort. When drafts are eliminated, your HVAC system doesn't have to compensate for constant air loss. Dallas homeowners experience more consistent indoor temperatures, lower cooling costs during summer, reduced heating loss during winter, improved overall comfort in every room. The result is a home that feels better and costs less to operate. Professional installation makes all the difference for Dallas homeowners. Professional installation is the key to preventing drafts in double-hung windows. From precise measurements and proper alignment to insulation, weather stripping, and secure sealing, expert installation ensures your windows perform exactly as intended. If you want to enjoy cooler summers, warmer winters, and lower energy bills, Investing in professional window installation is one of the smartest upgrades you can make.